Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Eric Tech Stuff. It's a little different video. This is what I've been doing. Why the videos haven't been as prevalent as they were in the past. So we're going to show you what I've been doing and out working on some radios. Right. Let's see. We're in a living area right now. Gotta wire up that. Gotta put 4 speakers in this room here. Have a nice TV. And we walk into the master bedroom here. They're gonna have a TV here and over there. Speakers ran in here and here. And let me just show you the view here. It's downtown Charleston, right over there. A nice boat going by as well. Yeah, not a bad view for master bedroom for sure. All right, master bath in here. We got some speakers and television going in here. And I believe that's the closet. Nice full bathroom and shower is going to be right in here somewhere. And we got toilet. Nice walk-in closet here. Let's go over this other area. Show you the view a little bit better. But we're walking through the hallway downstairs here, and now we're into the dining room area. 2 speakers in here wired in, and this is the kitchen. 2 speakers, TV, and let's go. That's going to be a nice table set right there. This is a beautiful sunroom. Look at that, how cool that is. And yeah, this is a view from the sunroom here. Let's take you outside here real quick. Beautiful pool area. And there you can see Ravenel Bridge right there. Beautiful outdoor area, nice infinity pool right onto the beautiful waterway there. Here we got 2 speakers. We're gonna end up replacing and getting that set up. And we're gonna end up doing a whole bunch of landscaping speakers here. And possibly this is gonna turn into a gazebo, so there's gonna be a nice TV set up here. But man, isn't this beautiful? All right, let's continue on here real quick. I won't bore you too much with this, but it's kind of cool. And this is the old structured panel. We got wiring everywhere. It's our new wiring here. We'll tie in. And this is gonna be a laundry area. Nothing in there. Yeah, there's gonna be a access point in there. And we're going down the hallway here. That's where we started at. And this is a guest bedroom. Of course, we're gonna have speakers in here. And there's old stuff that they remodeled, tore walls down. So we got stuff everywhere. All this beautiful Cat 6. Another television right in this room. Go in the speakers. Yeah, there's one office. We're getting television. 1, 2 speakers. And be on this wall here. Now let's go upstairs 1 minute. All right, coming upstairs here. Be a nice area, nice bar right here. We got speakers in here. We're gonna end up getting these reactivated, reran wires here. There was some existing old wiring through here and all that's old. So it's a TV with everything there. Be beautiful and a nice view out here. Possible speakers out here. But yeah, that's a nice view as well. All right, let's see. Go up to the bedroom here. Oh yeah, we'll have a touch panel here. It'll be nice in this room here. All right, here's another guest bedroom here. We got TV getting ran in here. And we got some speakers here. So that's perfect. And another guest bedroom here. One of these awesome little ceilings again. So it has a beautiful view, access to that back deck as well. Just picturesque windows here. Everything is real nice. And yeah, we'll end up having a TV in this area here. And here. Show you the wiring real quick. There's another room. Forgot about this. Another one looped up. Over here. 2 speakers. Access to that deck. Pretty cool. Okay, let's show you the wire here. Coming in. Rainbow colors. That's at least one bundle. Man, oh man, almost everything in the world's in that. And we go in here, everything still has to be tacked up. But there's even more coming in. And even down there, there's even more. All the way across here is going to be 4 different racks full of all this wire. So fun times ahead. So that's why I've not been doing radio so much, but I'll get back to it this weekend. All right, 73's y'all. We'll see. Eric Tech Stuff from the Cave of Wires.